Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to delete email contacts on your iPhone. Have you ever looked at your contacts list and seen a bunch of old email addresses you just don't need anymore? Maybe it's a former colleague, a random newsletter you signed up for once, or just someone you haven't spoken to in years. Cluttering up your contacts list with unnecessary email addresses can be annoying, and frankly, it makes finding the people you actually need a little harder. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy guide on how to delete those unwanted email contacts directly from your iPhone. We'll cover a couple of methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. It's a quick and simple process, and you'll have a clean and organized contacts list in no time. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Okay. So the first method we're going to look at is deleting contacts directly from the Contacts app. This is the easiest way to delete individual contacts. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. It usually looks like a little address book icon. Once you're in the Contacts app, scroll through your list or use the search bar to find the contact you want to delete. Tap on their name to open their contact card. Now, once you're on the contact card, look for the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Tap on Edit. Scroll down to the very bottom of the contact card. You should see a red button that says, Delete Contact. Tap on Delete Contact. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the contact. Tap Delete Contact again to confirm. And just like that, the contact is gone. Now for the second method, let's talk about deleting contacts connected to your email account. Sometimes contacts are stored not just on your phone, but also synced from accounts like Google or Outlook. Deleting them directly from the account settings will remove them from your phone and potentially from other devices synced to that account. To do this, go to your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Contacts. Then tap on Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the email accounts that are synced with your Contacts app. Select the account that contains the contact you want to delete. For example, let's say the contact is saved to your Gmail account.
Tap on Gmail.
Make sure that the Contacts toggle is turned on. This is important for the next step. Now go back to your Contacts app, find the contact you want to delete, and follow the same steps as before, edit, scroll down, and tap Delete Contact. Because the contact is synced to your Gmail account, deleting it here will also remove it from your Google Contacts. Keep in mind that deleting a contact from a synced account will remove it from all devices synced to that account. So, make sure you really want to delete the contact before you do it. And that's it. 2 easy ways to delete email contacts on your iPhone. The first method is great for deleting individual contacts stored directly on your phone. The second method allows you to delete contacts synced from your email accounts, which can be useful for cleaning up your entire contacts list. I hope this video was helpful. Remember to subscribe to Rome Tips for more iPhone tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.